Zingamashumi yezidumbu ezakhishwa emayini I-Stilfontein. Kuze kube manje zingamashumi 35 esezihloliwe ukuthi ezobani zanikezwa imindeni. Amaphoyisa athi kunzima ukuthola ukuthi abanye bangobani ngenxa yokuthi abekho abafikayo basemndenini yabo ukuzobalanda.
We are also not yet satisfied with the number that is actually coming forward for this particular process. Remember, we are talking about more than 90 bodies. But then at this stage, we have only 35 samples that have been taken. So this could also be a challenge, but we are still hopeful that maybe as time goes on, we'll still get people coming through for participation in the process.
Amaphoyisa asebenzisana nomnyango wezempilo ukuphothula uhlelo lokwenza ulibofuzo. Kunxuswa imindeni eyadukelwa izihlobo zayo eStilfontein ukuthi ize nganeno.
People who suspect that their next of kin or family members might have disappeared, or maybe they previously worked, or they suspect that they worked actually in the Yozamazamas in and around IStilfontein. We expect them to come forward. But as they come, they must also bring along their identification documents.
Iningi lalaba bantu abaphuma eMozambique, Zimbabwe kanye naseLesotho.